Dear students, in this module we will talk about the objectives of social group work. We will discuss the certain objectives of social group work. The major objective of social group work, which is the primary method of social work profession, is that through the group work process, the individuals learn how to grow and how to develop their intellectual, emotional, and psychological growth, and to solve the problems of adjustment through group work process. So group work process provides the opportunity to the individuals to develop their intellectual, emotional, and psychological adjustments within the society in a better way. Another important objective of social group work is to prepare the individuals to learn how to perform their responsibilities while living within the group and while interacting with the other members of the group in a democratic style, in a democratic way. Another important objective of social group work that the individuals learn how to make the best use of their leisure time and how they can indulge in the leisure time activities, and what kind of the leisure time activities they can adopt for the healthy environment within the society. Simultaneously, if we see the objectives of social group work is also to learn the individuals the division of labor according to their specialized capacities and according to the specialization of their talent and capacities of doing different tasks. So they learn that how the division of labor can be made. While living within the group, another objective can be served through the group work process, and that is that they can share the information and the knowledge can be transmitted within the group members, and they can learn the different skills from one another. Through group work process, the individuals are encouraged as being the members of the group to express their feelings, and to share their ideas, their concepts with other members. So this is a learning process as well, and they also get the psychological and emotional relief while sharing with their problems and their issues with the other group members. So we can say that the overall objectives lying behind the group work process is to prepare the people to bring the social change within the society. So these are the certain objectives of social group work that we can discuss about.